Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Extending association rule summarization technique to assess the risk of diabetes mellitus. Let us see the abstract of our project. Our aim to apply the association rule mining to extract the diabetes mellitus who are caused by diabetes in serious level from population. Our concentration to apply the mining rule to extract the diabetes patient who are caused in serious level, and we have to extract the data from diabetes data set and perform classification to classify the status and follow-up patient. The status patient is nothing but who are caused by diabetes in serious or normal level, and the follow patient is nothing but who are caused by diabetes or not. And then we have achieved the survey analysis and reduce the future risk. We implement the association rule to summarize that describe subpopulation at high risk of diabetes, which each measure having a clear strength. We summarized all algorithm to find out very accurate result. We have implement RPC and APRS collection and bus, and finally we implement the KNN process for future enhancement. We have the main concept to extract the high risk patient who are caused by diabetes in serious levels. Now see about the flow diagram of our project. First we have to start and generate the database from patient file and extract status and follow patient. The status is who are caused by diabetes in serious or normal level, and follow patient who are not caused by diabetes, and perform the data mining process and generate the item set from symptoms. Here we implement the symptoms rule like diabetes symptoms, and generate the frequent item set, and finally we have perform association rule mining. After mining completed, we perform RPC algorithm and data coverage algorithm and APRS collection and bus algorithm. In RPC algorithm we have implement the rule mining and process the report RPC equal to patient report. We implement the simulations. We perform the union and intersection for extracting the association rules and simulate the values for RPC. If RPC equal to the patient report, and extract the data, and we implement the APRS collection. In APRS collection we perform the false positive symptoms. We reduce the false positive from the data set who are not combined with the association rule. After rule mining we performed false positive rate less than alpha. We have extracted the otherwise it is assumed as zeros. And finally we perform bus algorithm. Bus is bottom summarization. In bottom summarization we have extract any one of the attributes, and we have reduced the data from the selected attributes and perform rule mining. We recover the rules, and finally we have end the process to combining all the result to extract high risk patient. And the future enhancement is KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm. Now we see about the run our project. Here is a project. To click home new jframe.java to run the file. Click this image. First select the browse button to select our data set. Data set is diab data set. This is our data set about the patient report, the patient name, and then following is the BMI, SBB, etc. And then after load data we have enter any path where the data for pre-processing. I will type pre-process and click the pre-process button. The illegal data should be removed from our data set like question mark star etc. And after that we have load this pre-processed data into our data set and click insert data. The data in this table we have shown that data from a database tables, and if you want to enter any report you have to click this data set, and click risk analysis. We have to classify as status patient and follow patient. The status patient should be extracted and a follow patient should be extracted. The status patient is nothing but who are caused by diabetes in serious or normal level, and the follow patient is nothing but he is not never caused by diabetes. So our data from data set, the 700 patient is a status count and 68 is a follow up count, and then click rule selection. Now we have select the data set is sym.text. Here it is here diabetes symptoms is full of diabetes symptoms. We have extract the high risk patient from the symptom rule that are matched with the data set, and click association rule and select any one of this patient. Find the support and confidence measures. Our overall rule measure is 25 and support count 5. 5 means symptoms 1 and symptoms 2 can occur from this matches. We have count 5, and support is a formula support count by overall count, and confident is a support by support count, and find the RPC measures. The rule mining, the overall rule, and where support count is 5, this is a support count data, and then finally we have perform RPC. Find out RPC A of I. This is a selected rule is a support count rules, and perform A union I, A intersection I, and after that perform mod, and finally we have divide this value. The RPC is 1.13, and perform the records, the RPC records, and finally perform APRS collection. In APRS collection we select any one of this two data, and also we select any symptoms rules, and view rule. This skin aspirin skin rash occurs in these two rules, and if we find out the false positive symptoms maybe occur in rules or not. We have select excessive thirst. The excessive thirst in the second rule, so we have mining data. So we have mining that excessive thirst in this rule, and find out the false positive count. The false positive rate is 1, but alpha values overall count is 2, and we perform LPRS simulation is a 1.0, and extract the result for that APRX data, and perform bus. Click the attribute extraction. We select any one of the data. This is the unique data for the DPP, the 45 unique data, and that calculate the threshold limit is the overall count of that DPP, and show that our data it is a bus record, and finally we perform the high risk patient is a result for that high risk patient. The high risk patient is containing of RPC, APRS and bus, but the patient is not repeated. So we have eliminated the repetition data. Now we eliminate the repetition data is a 10 records. The performance evaluations for status and high risk patient, and future enhancement we perform the K nearest neighbor. First we have clustering the attributes, cluster 5 attributes cluster 1 and 4 attributes cluster 2. We have select any one of the patient IDs, and the report will be shown in the text areas, and we have calculate the position calculation for selected and unselected patients, and position is calculated. We have performed distance calculations. We have perform the equivalent distance. Equivalent distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, and we click the final k distance. The k distance is a selected patient values, and the result is the selected patient is k distance is 19, and the k nearest is 18, 19 and 20 record is also extracted, and finally we have record the data with their reports. The graph for k nearest and high risk patient, and comparison for top k and bus. Thank you.